Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to see few names, few more reasons why the movement of the part of the plant is taking place in response to different stimulus, and what are those stimulus and what names we are giving them. So these are not in our syllabus, but just for the sake of knowledge I am telling. There is thermotropism. Thermo means temperature. So this is temperature induced. If the movement of the part of the plant takes place in response to temperature, then we say this is thermotropism, temperature induced. Another one is geomagnetropism. Geomagnetropism, magnetic force induced, movement of the part of the plant because of the magnetic force. Then this is traumatropism, wound induced. This is electrotropism, electricity induced. And this is scoto, SKOTO, scototropism. This is dark induced. And this is aerotropism. This is oxygen induced. These are not important, but there is one type which we are supposed to discuss now, and that is thigmotropic movement. Thigmotropic. See, thigmo means touch. So, movement of the part of the plant in response to touch, if we are studying, that is thigmotropic movement. And we know that there are some climbing plants. So they have climbing organs. Climbing organs are tendrils and twinners. These are thread-like structures with the help of which these climbing plants climb on the other structures. So if a tendril happens to come in the support, in a tendril happens to come in touch or in contact with some support, the tendril has got sense cells. These sense cells, with the help of these sense cells, the growth will get reduced on that side of the tendril which is in contact. Suppose this is the support, this is tendril, this is in contact. So this side of the tendril which is in contact with this sense cells will ensure that growth is reduced this side, and this side growth is more. So that will ensure that this tendril or twiner will get wrapped around the support like this. This was all about thigmotropic movement, and this is a positive thigmotropic movement because the movement of the part of the plant takes place in the direction in which the stimulus is there. Here the stimulus is the touch of the support. This is the support, this is touch, it happens to touch. This is in this direction the stimulus is applied, and that very direction this moves, wraps around. So this is thigmotropic movement.